Hi, welcome back to Restoration Design again for the final and third portion of this corner of our engine compartment. We are now going to do the easy part, and that's put in the battery box. The battery box is pretty simple. You take it out, make sure you take a couple of measurements just to make sure it goes back in the general area. This one's not as essential to get right back in the exact spot, but it's always nice just to have it right where it was supposed to be. I've already gone ahead and removed the battery box. We did that at the beginning of the project of this corner of the car. And I've coated the area with P316 again to keep the rust down. But I'm going to have to go ahead and grind off the area that we're going to be welding the battery box to. The battery box that we have comes in two portions. The bottom section here comes as one piece and the top comes as one piece. That's so that if you just want to replace the top, you can go ahead and you can leave the frame of the battery box on there. Now the battery box also has a little nut that gets welded onto the hole in the bottom for the hold down. Unfortunately, we don't have the proper hold down at the moment, so I didn't want to weld a nut on there in case I put the wrong size nut on. As you can see, I've also prepped and drilled all the holes for our plug welds, and I've coated the part entirely in weld through primer. Also, when I welded this on, I used a spot welder to weld it on, being as we have one readily available. Alright, now we're going to get our part here in place. Now the positioning that I had for it is actually pretty easy because I trimmed it so that it rides right above the engine shelf. So I'm going to take my scribe and I'm going to just kind of mark out the area there that I need to grind away in order for my weld to secure properly. The P316 is not easy to weld to. Alright, I'm happy with my fit. I can go ahead and put my self-tapping screws in now. Alright, our new battery box is in. I've got all the plug welds done and very happy with how it went in. So I'm going to clean up a couple of the welds and do a final inspection and give it a coat of primer. Well, that completes the third part to this corner of our project. The battery box is in, and we're very happy with how it looks. If anybody has any questions, you can reach us online. Please stay tuned or visit our YouTube channel to see more videos. Just to let you know, this is only a suggested video. I'm sure there's many methods to be able to install these various projects. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day.